Hi everyone, again I'm that Naija Taylor, your girl. If you're seeing this video, if you clicked on this video, means that you want to make that boo on the thumbnail. Okay, very easy. Something it's very easy to make. Okay, so let us just dive into the tutorial. But before then, like, comment, share my video, subscribe, turn on that notification button, guys. We're almost 200. Thank you very much, my old subscribers. You guys are my OGs, my paddies for life. New subscribers, you are very welcome to this community. Okay, so okay, ask your questions. Very important. I made this video in such a way that you can learn very fast from it. But if you still have any problems, hit me up in the comment section and I will definitely answer you. Okay, I answer very fast. Go and check my track record. Okay, so let's head into the video. Okay, I love you guys. I hope you understand. Like it if you like it. Okay, bye guys. Hey lovelies, again it's your girl here. All right, so let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, I folded my Ankara fabric into 4, keeping the closed edge up, okay, where the shoulder is supposed to be, and that open edge is towards me. Now that open edge, I'm going to come down by 9.5 and take in my sleeve, my armhole measurement. Okay, then I will go and take my waist measurements, like my waist or shoulder to waist, so that's like 16 inches. All right, so I'm going to take my full length. So what I took was my armhole measurement, my waist measurement from shoulder, and the full length of the dress. I didn't take any shoulder measurements or any other measurements. Okay, so and I'm going to get that now. I'm getting my full length. I've got ahead to draw a straight line at my waistline. Okay, and at that place that I took my armhole measurement, I came in by 2 inches, and I'm just going to freehand the shape of the dress, okay, which is what I'm doing right now. So you see, it's very simple. We're just going to cut it right now. The boo has already come out. All right, it's very easy. Like, it's the easiest thing to make, guys. Even beginners can like niche into this. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my neckline measurements. I've already drawn the back first. Okay, so that back, I took the width of the neckline is 5 inches, while the depth is 1.5. okay, and I just connected it with my free hand. Now I'm going to go ahead and take for the front neckline. Okay, I came down by 7 inches, still maintaining that 5 inch as width. Okay, so you see, I'm going to go ahead and connect that with a slanted line. Okay, I couldn't find my ruler, so I used something funny to connect the lines. So I'm going to I cut out that part so that you people will not see it. Okay, so this is me. I have made the slanted line, and I'm showing you guys. I'm going to cut that back neckline first. Then when I open it up, I'll now cut out the front neckline. Okay, all right. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut out the back neckline while it's still close together. Okay, for me to cut out that front neckline, I'm going to open it. Okay, to cut out that V. You can decide not to make a V for your front neckline. You can make it round. Okay, but I just decided that I think I prefer V to round neck. So that's what I went ahead to do. Here I'm matching up the sides, making sure that everything is laying as it should be, so that when I cut, it's going to come out perfectly and not be weird. All right, so right now I'm going ahead to cut up the front neckline. All right, I'm going to open it up so that we can see the front and the back neckline. So have in mind that I did not do any shoulder slope in this particular boo. If you want to see where I put where I put shoulder slope for boo, you can check my other boo-boos that I have made. All right, now this one, I'm just trying to show you that whether you slope the shoulder or you do not slope the shoulder, your boo is still going to come out looking nice. So it depends on what you want. So this place where the yellow chalk is was where we marked out the waistline. So from that waistline all the way to the end, I'm going to create channels for the rope. I've gone ahead to finish that neckline with a bias. I've also used the bias for the drawstring. I've made the channels all the way from that waist line to the hem of the dress. All right, so I'm going to advise that instead of using like bias like me, you will use the fabric. I didn't have any fabric left over, so that's why I decided to use a bias. I didn't even have the colors. I just used what I had in the house. Okay, so right now we're looking to get that snatch waist effect. Okay, so from the center of my boo-boo, I'm going to measure out a quarter of my waistline on both sides without any allowance. So quarter of my waist without any allowance. I measured it on both sides, so you should go ahead and do the same. So you measure a quarter from the midpoint. Yeah, so that's what you go ahead and do on the waistline area. And you can use you can make ropes and use, like in my previous boo-boo with a snatch waist tutorial, but here I wanted to do something different. So instead of using ropes, I decided to use an elastic. All right, so the measurement of elastic that I used is my waist measurement divided by 2 minus 2 inches. All right, so right now I've gone ahead to sew down that elastic. I finished the sleeve. I turned it in by 1/2 inch, and I'm showing you that I'm going to use 1/2 inch to sew down through, like all the way through the sides. Okay, I'm just going to use 1/2 inch to just hold those sides together and hem the down part. Okay, so now you see that I didn't sew that drawstring area, so I'm going to just finish it now all the way through. Okay, and this is our beautiful boo-boo. Look how it's looking like a snack. All right, I really recommend that if you want to make this dress, that you should make it with brocade. Okay, it will be really beautiful with brocade. All right, and also this will be a very good time for you to give me a like. Okay, like this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.